RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. Landlords often remodel rental rooms to increase competitiveness. So today I'm going to show landlords how to improve space utilization rate in small rooms. Even small rooms can get big storage spaces. 1. Make full use of vertical spaces. Landlords can install more shelves on the wall. Divide the wall into tiers to maximize storage space. The space above the passage is usable. Add a cabinet. Or a wall shelf. Then it becomes a storage space. There's some space behind the door. Add hooks to get more space for hanging clothes. Install a 3-tier rack above the toilet. As for corners, install a corner rack for bottles and jars. If the bathroom is very small, consider a wall-mounted sink that is specially designed for small spaces. 2. Expand the space outside the window. Under legitimate circumstances, install bay windows to expand usable spaces. 3. Use a sliding door. Instead of a typical door, use a sliding door. It reduces the reserved space for opening the door, thus saves spaces in entrances and rooms. 4. Opt for multifunctional furniture, especially furniture with storage, such as chairs and sofas with storage, bed with storage. Landlords can add a cabinet to the headboard and use a drawer bed to increase storage spaces. Or choose a higher bed frame to create storage under the bed. Also, there's lift bed. Lift the bedboard, then there's space for storage. You can put a sink cabinet under the sink. Use a mirror cabinet. It's not only a mirror but also a space for storage. Tips. In a small room, it's suggested to choose a single bed. The space will be too limited if you put a double bed. Multi-function furniture that needed time to transform from a sofa to a bed is not practical. Foldable tables are also not practical, because users will put things for daily usage on the table. This kind of furniture needed time to transform. It's too troublesome, not recommended. It's also not recommended for landlords to choose tables without a drawer, though the cost will be low. It's not practical for renters who stay for a long period. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.